Hello, I am Teacher Fino, and today we're going to talk about conditional sentences. Let's go. Conditional sentences receive that name because, well, they express a condition. Alright, when we use conditionals, we need two sentences. The if clause, the result clause. Today we have two types of conditionals. We have the factual result or the zero conditional, and then we have the future result or first conditional. For the factual result or zero conditional, we have this example. If you freeze water, comma, it becomes ice. Usually when we use conditionals, we start with the if clause, the condition, and then after a comma, we include a result clause. As you can see in the formula, we use the if clause plus simple present plus a comma plus simple present. If you don't want to start with the if clause and then the result, you can mix it up a little. You can start with the result and then you include your condition. Water becomes ice if you freeze it. You just make some tiny changes to the sentence. Now, notice that in this example, we are not using a comma. So when you start with the result clause, commas are not necessary. We have some examples over here. This is from materialsenglish.com. And the use for the zero conditional, general truths, habits, and real world. If it rains, the ground gets wet. If you mix yellow and blue, you get green. Zero conditional, present and present. Some examples: if I clean my room, I can go out. Condition: if I clean my room, I need to clean my room, I can go out. If I don't clean my room, condition: if I don't clean my room, I can't go out. Okay, so now let's take a look at the future result or the first conditional. Be careful, don't confuse zero conditional with first conditional. Now the first conditional uses if plus simple present, comma, plus future. This is a future result. So we have an example over here. Let's read it. If you stay home, comma, you won't get COVID. Or, like in the previous sentence, you can mix it up a little and start with the result. Now, in this case, it's not necessary to make changes to the sentence. We can still understand it. So, if you stay home, you won't get COVID, or you won't get COVID, no comma, if you stay home. Yeah, so future plus if plus present. And this time, commas are not necessary. Now, the first conditional, this is from English Grammar, Woodward English. So the first conditional, we need to use simple present plus future. And it is used to express a real or very probable situation in the future. It refers to things that will possibly happen in the future if a condition is met. This means that if something happens, another action will happen. Yes, this is like a cause and effect. And finally, we have a summary over here of the two conditionals. Zero conditional, present and present. First conditional, present and future. And some examples over here. So there we go. Those are conditional sentences. It's not so complicated, but at the beginning it can look like that. However, if you have questions, comma, you can write it in the comment section. If you still have questions, I will make another video. So I hope you liked this video. I hope that it was useful for you, and we'll see you in another video. Goodbye. Good luck.